-8 is no joke. They're frozen. Welcome. The winter is here. Yes. So this is the Mini 5 Pro, and I'll be doing okay, it's -8, but it feels like -12. I just wanted to find out for how long can I fly in very cold weather without gloves in constant flow. -8 degrees feels like -12. Safe and beautiful flight. All right, I already have my hands pre-frosted, as I had to do a little updating gymnastics with the drone before I got in the air. But all's well, and we are connected, and we are in air and flying, obviously. But yeah, no, this is not what we want to do. We want to do a constant flow around this building, but I wanted to start like high up. And let's see. Okay, moving forwards, slightly downwards, slightly tilting up the camera, and I already feel my fingers being not so responsive. Let's do a close call. Right here. Oh my god, this is getting very difficult already. Crazy. Okay. Ooh, barely holding it. Barely. Oh, that was slightly interrupted. Oh man. Yeah, -12, I mean -8 is no joke. Especially without gloves. Ah. So difficult. So difficult to keep it steady. Ah. Okay, then let's do something slightly crazy. Okay, I missed the gap, but okay, let's not lower it too much. The trees and stuff. Woo! Cold is cold, for sure. And what can we do? Oh, it's so hard to be creative right now. All I can do is circle around. Okay, no, I will be creative. Let's do some creative magic. And let's reveal cars. No cars. I was hoping there will be cars coming from the left side, but they will be coming about right now. About right now? Excellent. Woo. I don't no idea how I'm doing this, but well, it's not the smoothest flight. I would say it's acceptable. It's definitely acceptable. Woo. So difficult. Woo. And I forgot to turn on that camera, which helps a lot to see where you're flying. Oh my god, yeah, the fingers are moving very slowly and unresponsibly. Woo. Now let's do a little slower. Oh my god, yeah, just like that, just like that. Oh, it's so cold. So cold, so cold. Woo. Let's do. Yes. And then let's do a go up, a move upwards. Oh my god. It's cold. Okay, I'm almost 5 minutes in air with my hands pre-frosted for the flight. No roll controls in this flight. I cannot. But wow, look at that. Okay, let's go catch this car, maybe. Oh yeah. Literally. Let's go catch it. Okay, let's catch these cars. Oh, it's so hard to understand. What am I? How far I have pressed my fingers, as I don't really feel them. No, I do feel them, but I feel the pain, not the touch. It's the pain I feel. Oh yeah, that's pretty smooth for -8. Feels like -12 and can't feel my fingers flight. Yeah. Okay, and then let's, oh no, slight interruption. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, now I think reaching the limit of how much can I take. Yeah, -8 is a lot harder than I expected. I'm used to cold weather, but not this cold. Oh, holy shoo. Okay, and now let's do that. Oh, what am I even doing? So I wanted to start the video actually like this. Something like this. Woohoo! I pulled it off, nice. What the? I sort of kind of did it. Ah, okay. I think that's enough. The part is that I didn't hear the drone the whole flight. Ah. 8 minutes with pre-frozen fingers. I was able to fly for 8 minutes. Well,
even my fingers were freezing with these gloves.
Crazy. For how long can you fly your drone in the cold weather? Do you even get weather like this? This is real winter. Clearly not for everyone. This is for the crazy people who just want to test their limits. I was quite surprised about some of the shots I was able to capture. I can get the shots I need in a minute. So 8 minutes, that's like 8 times much. 8 minutes is 8 times more time than I need to get the shot. I guess that's an all right. I froze my brain more than my fingers because I can't really talk. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. You know, go outside, fly, take your finger ice baths. Ah, Jesus. And send me your video link if you did more than I did.